Hi, my name is Hemant Thakur. Last week I was here with gum pain, and I was in deep pain, I can say. And the doctors, they are so nice, and they gave me some kind of anesthesia and some initial medication. It was good, but later they suggested about this implant. And I know this technology is very new, even I heard it in US also. But once they treated me with this implant, I couldn't even feel the anesthesia which they gave me with the computerized thing. I don't know the technology, but I am completely satisfied. My heart is just like a rabbit heart, you know. I couldn't, I couldn't tolerate the pain. But anyway, I am very satisfied with this treatment. Now you can see I am smiling, and I will suggest to my family and friends and team members. All of you guys are very nice. And that's it. Anything you want to say?
No, on last Saturday he kept telling everybody, I'm in a lot of pain, I'm in a lot of pain. He couldn't speak a single word. And this is like day before yesterday, he got brand new teeth with the dental implant. He had messed up his teeth so much that everything had to be
because
taken
of
out.
Bad behavior.
Bad hygiene, and he didn't take good care of it. Within 3 days, that is the fact, within 3 days his dental implantation was done.
After that I am just flying.
He's flying, he's smiling so much. By the end of the day his jaws are aching. Yeah. He's telling my doctor, you know. And he was initially very scared of chewing. Now he's very good with any
I'm really enjoying all kind of food. Because I am a foodie person.
And as far as the staff goes, be it Mughli Vakkam or the other office, everybody is really nice.
Yeah,
I feel like this is my second home. Like I don't feel I'm at a dental office.
No, trust me, I was very scared initially. But when you people started giving those
with a smile and everything,
I couldn't even feel.
Some medication and all
like
that.
Like putting gel initially, then after that they induce some kind of
the anesthesia, STA anesthesia that goes through the pipeline, no needle. Thank God I was not the patient, but I could see that a person who has who's so scared of needles, that's why he ignored his gums so much. I is so happy today. He is able to enjoy all the food which he was deprived of
from
in
so
past.
Many years. Actually, I used to compromise eating from this side, that side, or sometimes I used to avoid those hard food items, you know, like broccoli or anything. You know,
there are two doctors we were in interaction with, Dr. Sandhya and Dr. Anjali. Very nice. I wish I could take them home. They got a smile on my husband's face, you know. And like, it's not that I'm wishing that everybody should go to a dentist, but if you have to, please come here without thinking, no second thoughts, nothing at all. And 100%, if there was something beyond 100%, we would have given that.
Everybody smiles. You know? In India, I'm telling you honestly, I'm living, I'm staying in this country from last 4-5 years actually. I don't even see anybody smiling in India, especially. You see this kind of smile only in foreign countries. In US or UK.
That is the USP of this clinic. Everybody with a smile, you know, you don't know. It takes away half your tension that you are in good care.
Half of the pain that goes just away, like that. You know? And they put the soft, nice Hindi music because I really like that, you know. So just to divert your attention, not to concentrate the surgery, you know. That was so nice.
And they even provided coffee, not to miss.
She had lunch also, right?
Yeah, I had lunch also on the day. The person was going through the surgery and I was eating. So that is the irony of the clinic. But very nice, very...
Thank you so much. Thanks for everything.
I don't want to come there for surgical things, but as friends, anytime. Thank you. We had a real nice time. Thank you so much.